Alright, fellas, ladies and gentlemen, those two rod ends, those two rods, turnbuckles that we have created, complete step number 14. 15 is attaching the battery holder to the chassis, which we need three 12 millimeters. Oh, I'll mix them up, doggone it. One, two, one. Then we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 3 more for that. So 10. One, two, and a tree. So we got to cut some parts free here. The battery door, this one, and then we got this other smaller one, which is D4, which is right here, D4. So we will nip that one out of there. Let's see, nice and flush. Get in there. Great. Okay, D4. We'll flip the chassis over here. Okay. Now we're gonna put this battery tray right down here. Just like so. I believe. This is a lot of screws. And so we will use the screw gun. Oops. So it looks like it could take a pretty good sized battery. I'm thinking my Gens Ace 2S battery will fit in there just wonderfully. What do you guys think? No way? Here's 7 out of 10. Okay. Now, before we cover this up, I think we got to snap our turnbuckles on. Let me see. With that out there. Oh, I guess we can wait. It's gonna go right there. 3 more 3x12s. There's 2 of them. I hope I didn't drop one. Start with the center. think this is like the bumper. Yeah, part of the bumper. All right. That completes step 15, other than snapping these two tame buckles on. Now, it does not tell me which one is longer. Let's see, the left. Threaded shaft, does not say right or left. This just says right and left. I'm gonna say the longer one goes here because it's further away. I'll do a little touch of grease like we did last time. A little bit of grease on those guys. All right. Pop the long one on. I do have to change this thing around too because the servo is not right. The servo is not centered. Come on, baby. Ouch. Boom shakalaka. Step 15 is done. I want to make these straight. What the heck are they going to connect to? I don't know. Okay, let's turn the page and see what's going on. Step number 16 is, looks like we're going to be setting up the front A-arms. Guys, quite a bit of parts here. Let me round them up. We'll get back. Oh, welcome back, RC Sick, and the awesome lunchbox van build series. So we're left off on step 16, and we need some A-armage, and we're going to cut this stuff loose from the parts tree, and we need A12 and A11. Okay. Definitely this is A12 right here. That's A11. Gonna snippity snip snap. Oh, this one I'm gonna have to flip over. Yeah, I like to get it where I can get flat against the part, and then it's just smooth as a baby's bottom. So that's what you want to do, is get it up in there flat against the part to be used. Flat against the part. Snippy snippage. Snippity snip snap. Snapple snap. Snip snap. Flip it over. Flip flip flip. Wherever you can get the best angle to get that first cut nice. Oh yeah. So there you have the two A-arms, A11 and A12. And now we need D12. There should be two D12s. Let's see what to do. D12, D12, D12 are look like rod ends. And this is a D12. That's gonna finish off this parts tree, guys, girls. Let me see, am I too close? Sometimes you can get too close and you take some of the part with you. I think I just did. I did. Dang it. Be careful of that. Be careful of that. Make sure you're not getting too close. It's a tight birch tree. You could always cut it fat and then trim it later. 'Cause that took a nice chunk out of that. But let's see. Let's check the spring on it. Oh yeah, it will be fine. Just a little bit showing. Just a little bit. We'll be much more careful on this one. We will save the day by looking at it from the bottom is much easier. Just a little tip. There we go. Drop it once or twice, 3 times. Yeah, so these guys got a lot of stuff on them. So I'm gonna start with this. I gotta put a ball on the end of this little arm looking thing. The upright, it is called the upright. So with the upright facing this way, it's a ball right through that hole there. Let's go through the hole there. Oh, don't tell me. I gotta screw it all the way through the hole. I don't like when that happens. Ah. Okay. Looks like a 1.5. Snappy snap. I love it when I hear that snappy snap, when I snap it into my Protect driver. This could take all day. This could take all day. I don't know why you couldn't just go right through and screw to the ball. It's going through there hard too. Oh boy, this is so unnecessary. I should have just drilled it out myself. Ringu work, but it's a good exercise for the hands. That is why I'm doing this hobby. To keep my hands moving. Because they want to lock right up, let me tell you. They try to lock up on me every night. I gotta sleep in braces. It's just, spasticity is just a miserable thing. Spinal cord injury is no fun. talk about it a lot. I shouldn't, but I'm constantly thinking about it, you know. Okay, get this little ball guy on here. See if we can get him started. We did. Thread him on real quick. Like, at least that part's easy. I get a nut driver, make them tight. Butt driver. I'm thinking it's this one, but I'm probably wrong. I'm right. All right, there you go. One ball mounted the wrong way. Let's hope it works for this side. I think it will. Okay, so let's make sure we get it right here. This way. Coming up this way. This way and that way. Sometimes I think I should just cut that pinky off. I don't use it. Gets in the way. It's good for picking my nose, but that's about it. Pointer. Hey man, teetotaling. It's good for teetotaling, as they say. I can get it down, but it takes effort. It's like squeezing your fist real hard. So, yeah, get in there now. Probably should use a straight hex instead of a ball. I like the balls. I don't have a set of both. I do, but not the ProTech version. Not the Pro to the Tech to the version. Pro to the Tech to the Virgin. There we go. Hold that up and down while we do that. Just as an exercise. Squeeze it down in there. Come on. Push and twist, push and twist. Alrighty then, let's get that hex on there. Let's get the balls. Looks like a little perfect little trailer hitch. See if we got a little divot on top. It looks just like one, Jimmy. I'll say there, hey Jimmy. Let's spin her on. There we go. Spin her on. Spin around, spin around. I get around. Spin around, spin around. I spin around. Ooh-wee. And we're going to tighten her down. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's nice and tight. Good and tight. Good and tight. Now, we take the A-arm here and we're going to set her down here because we're going to take one of these little mounts. And with the number 12 millimeter screw, we're going to put the mount right there. Right in that there shaft assembly. Oh, I don't know what I'm saying. Right there into the A-arm. Okay, where's my 12 millimeter? Step aside, guys. Zippity doo, zippity doo. Put her down, put her there, put her there. What do you say? I say I can't see the hole. Come on now. Talk to me. The magnetics are messing me up. Okay. Push and turn. PAT, push and turn. Pat it in there. Excuse me, fellas, but I got work to do here. There we go, boy. Boy, I'll tell you. That's where she goes. That's just like that. She goes like right there. So now what we're going to do is we're going to put this guy inside the arm right here. And we're going to put this guy here. We're going to grease him. Going to grease this little hinge pin. And we'll slide him in there. Nice and greased. Oopsies. Oops-a-daisy. Drive me crazy. There should be. Okay. After that, we're going to put these guy here. We're going to grease up a tube, a brass sleeve, very small brass sleeve. I will try and show you this between my fingers. Little brass tubes. Gonna grease it. Yep. Put it in the end of this guy. And to the end we go. And then we're going to put it in here with the 3x15. That's what I didn't get. Chewbacca 15. No, I don't think so. 3x15. And a nut. Tube in there. Doesn't matter which which way this comes from. You sure we're coming from this way? That's the way I'm going to put it in. And put the nut on. Put your nut on. Like so. Put your screwdriver. Put your nut up to it. Uh-oh. It's not working. Major malfunction. Let's try it with my hands. Like everybody else can do. Let's see. I think I can do it. Yep, there we go. Put it right on there. Hold it tight. Sock her down. Socrates. Oh boy. My back is starting to flare up. Fire it up, baby. Pushing it up against my chest for a second. There we go. Make it tight. Said don't use Loctite in none of this, but I'm surprised I don't for some of these metal to metals. All right, that A arm is trimmed out. Let me see. With that side down, I am looking just like the picture. Very good. Now we're gonna do another one. Got him on there. Now we're going to slip him in here with the hinge pin, but we got to grease the hinge pin. You must always grease the hinge pin, grasshopper. Throw back there. Hong Kong Fui. Put in the hinge pin. It's just a couple of turns. We'll use the screwdriver. Good for the hands. Down in the way. Okay. He down. Okay. So that's this guy looking like this. We'll put this on with another 12. That's the one we're going to use the drill for. Real cheap on this one. Okay, guys, we're going to end it there. See you on the next one. I'll make it a little shorter. Peace.